Sarap. Pili mo 12 years old ka. Ito yung order namin. It's nice. Yan, chipsy. Ito siya, oh. Nice. French fries siya actually. Tsaka ano siya,
Products from Japan. So
affordable. Japan style. Can't wait. Can't wait. My order.
Japanese French fries.
Nakakuha naman eh. Ito na lang girl, kaya naman to eh.
So what time are you here? 7.
The last name.
Yum.
That's the barbecue. It's really good. How are your fries?
I'm almost done.
You ordered yesterday, right?
Yeah.
So that's the cheese powder and barbecue.
Barbecue.
I'll get the
Nice.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your fries.
Thank you, babe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thanks. We can go here.
Try natin to. First time, Feeling Bata, French fries. Ayan. Kasama ko si 16 years old lang oh. Try natin to. Itong merienda namin dalawa. Let's